Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Honda Civic tuned by Spoon, the famous Japanese tuner. This is the second release of the model. We had the simple version in white released just a month ago. Let's start in the front. We have the bonnet in matte black. We have the headlights which look pretty good. Also we have this front lip in with carbon fiber texture, which is a very nice feature from Solido. Next we have the wheels, which look pretty good. We even have the brake caliper painted in blue. Next, in the back, this spoiler also has carbon fiber texture. I don't know if you can see. Also the stop lights look pretty good, and we have the Honda and Civic logo there as well. Underneath the model, not that many details, but we have the exhaust that goes all the way to the back, and also have some details here in the front underneath the engine. Let's open the door to check out the interior. Let me open the driver door as well. As you can see, let me zoom in. The interior looks pretty good. It's very simple, but I like the fact that Solido changed the driver's seat with a sport seat, and they even painted the seat belts, which is very nice. Tell me in the comments what do you think about the model. I think it looks pretty good, especially in this color combination. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.